Sumall is a popular social media management and analytics tool, but before you buy it, there are 12 important things you should know. Stick around, and you'll not only learn what makes it stand out, but also how it stacks up against competitors, and by the end, we'll share a better solution you can try for free. First, Sumall is designed for simplicity. It offers a clean interface that focuses on key metrics, making it great for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. Unlike Hootsuite or Sprout Social, it doesn't overwhelm you with features you may never use. But that also means it lacks advanced tools like scheduling optimization or AI-powered recommendations. Next thing, Sumall integrates with a wide range of platforms, from Instagram to Shopify. However, the integrations aren't always as deep as competitors. For instance, you can track data across platforms, but you may find limited customization for specific analytics compared to tools like Buffer. The third thing, pricing. Sumall is affordable, and it's a good choice if you're on a budget. It doesn't charge based on the number of users, but its functionality is limited at this price point, especially if you need advanced scheduling, collaboration features, or competitive analytics. Fourth, automation is one of its selling points. It can automate data collection and reporting, saving you time. However, compared to tools like Later or SocialBee, automation is basic. It's great for straightforward needs, but lacks flexibility for more complex workflows. Next thing, reporting is easy to understand, but not as detailed. If you're looking for high-level overviews, Sumall does the job. But if you need granular insights or customizable reports, you might feel restricted compared to what AgroPulse or Zoho Social offers. Sixth, Sumall has a unique feature, email digests. These are quick, summary-style emails sent to your inbox, keeping you updated on your performance metrics without logging in. It's handy, but again, limited if you want detailed data analysis. Another point is team collaboration, or rather, the lack of it. Sumall is more suited for individuals. If you have a team that needs to collaborate on campaigns or manage multiple accounts with permissions, this is where platforms like Trello or Sprinkler excel. The eighth thing is support. Sumall offers basic customer support, but don't expect rapid responses or in-depth help. In contrast, tools like Social Pilot often provide dedicated support with faster turnaround times. Next thing, Sumall doesn't focus much on post-scheduling. While you can monitor performance, you'll need another tool for robust scheduling features. Competitors like Planoly or CoSchedule provide much better options for managing content calendars. 10th, its real-time tracking is a bit limited. You'll get updates, but they aren't as immediate or insightful as what you'd find in more premium tools like Brandwatch. Another point is scalability. Sumall is excellent for smaller scale operations, but might not grow with you. If your needs expand, you might find yourself migrating to a more comprehensive tool like HubSpot. Finally, user reviews are mixed. Some praise its simplicity and affordability, while others criticize its limited functionality compared to competitors. It's best suited for users with basic analytics needs who don't require advanced features. Overall, Sumall is a good option if you're looking for an affordable and simple tool. But if you want a more advanced solution that's better suited for growth and deeper insights, check out our recommended alternative. It's free to try and might be exactly what you need.